Alrighty, guys, let's take a look at your exercise. Ein Ausflug. Ausflug, an excursion, yeah. A little like day trip or a short trip is an Ausflug. Yeah. So we're listening to Familie Schröder. They're planning a trip. Yeah. Also, and well, we'll see in a second where they go, but I gave you some pictures to kind of get you going here. So you listen to the audio. And of course, if you needed some extra help, you scroll down here and there's the script. Yeah, so your first question was, Wohin fährt Familie Schröder? Where are they going? To where drives Familie Schröder? Also, let's look. They discuss it, maybe a Fahrradtour. Nein. Also, then they say nach Hamburg. So that's where they're going to go because Frau Schröder would like some fish Suppe. Yeah, fish soup. There's you a nice picture of fish Suppe. And I think I gave you another picture. Yeah, there's another. That one I think looks a little bit better. Of fish Suppe. Hamburg is on the harbor. Like we talked about in the previous exercise. There's a nice picture of the Hamburg Hafen, harbor. Yeah, and so of course, since you're on the harbor, on the river, on not quite on the sea, but close to the sea, seafood, yeah, is a big thing there, including fish suppe. Also, and then there's a picture over here I gave you of the Fischmarkt, yeah. The Hamburger Fischmarkt is world renowned. So you can go to the fish market, you can get a fish Brötchen. There's a little stand for fish sandwiches, yeah, and fish Suppe and all sorts of things. All right, so let's look. Wie fahren Sie? Wie? How? How are they going to get there? Let me go down here to the script again. Also, Monika says, ich möchte mit dem Auto fahren. Yeah, want to go by car. Mit dem Zug ist langweilig. Too boring by train. Not really for us since we don't go by train, but for the Germans, yeah, they take the train all the time. Okay, so they're going to go mit dem Auto. Yeah, they're going to drive, which, you know, it happens. Many Germans, though, go mit dem Zug. Sie fahren mit dem Zug. It's pretty inexpensive, and you can get anywhere by trains. But they're going to go mit dem Auto. All right, and the last question, wo wohnen Sie? So where do they live? Yeah, also, let's go down here. Yeah. And when we say wo wohnen Sie, we don't mean like where is their house at. We mean like where are they going to stay? Yeah, Germans will use the verb wohnen, yeah, to live, to mean where are they going to stay, like in what kind of a, well, I'm not even going to say hotel because they're not going to stay in a hotel. No, yeah, so they're going to go at 7 a.m. And off they go. Wo wohnen wir? Where are we going to stay? Im Hotel? Nein. Können wir nicht in der Jugendherberge übernachten? In der Jugendherberge. That's where they're going to stay, in the youth hostel. Yeah, not very common here in the U.S., but super common in Deutschland, in all of Europe, really. Youth hostels are made for young people or families with young people. They cater to mostly people who are under 25, yeah, including teenagers who travel alone. It is very common for Europeans of your age to travel by themselves, yeah, because you can take the train. So you just get on the train and you go where you want to go. Or you can travel with your family and stay at the Jugendherberge. My former exchange student from a couple of years ago, when she came to stay with us, she was 15, yeah, and at 15 she had already done a couple of trips on her own with her 16-year-old sister, because you can do that, yeah. So you just stay at the Jugendherberge. Really inexpensive, about $20 or so a night. Yeah, but we'll talk more about Jugendherberge, not only right now in this chapter, but also when we come back in January. It's our first thing we're going to talk about in level 2 is travel. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. That's it. Tschüss.